In this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove the header from second page. So this is the Word document. It has 4 pages and each page has headers. We want to keep the header for the first page and we want to remove all the other headers. So let's see how we can do this thing. At first we need to double click on top of the header. Any header is fine. I'm just going to double click and then you will see a new tab is opened, header and footer, and this thing will be highlighted like header like that. And now from this header thing we will find one option is there, options window or option section is there. From here we have to check the first one, first checkbox. I'm going to click here, so the first box will be checked and you will see that for the first page there is nothing and for other pages the header is there. Now what you need to do, we just need to copy this thing. I'm going to select everything, right click and copy, and then I just click here and Ctrl V and I'm going to paste it. Now put the position where you want to do. So I'm keeping it on the right side like this. Okay, so now our first page header is there. Now what we need to do, we need to remove this thing and you'll see from all pages it is removed. And finally we can double click anywhere of the page. Now you will see the header is only on the first page. It removed from the second page, third page and for other pages. And that's it guys. In this way we can easily remove header from second page in a Word document. Thank you guys for watching the video.